Wait a minute. Wasn't expecting this box to be on the PEZ book? Really? Okay. If this is how we're going to do it, folks, what's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ book channel. Do me a favor. Questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, in case you need the contact information, that's where they're at. That is the PEZ Visitors Center. Feel free to check it out. I received this box from up north, and where'd my razor go? Okay. I'll have to use a bottle opener. I don't like this Amazon tape. I thought I had passed this tape thing. Oh no! I tore it! I'm gonna try to save. I tore it again. I'm doing horrible. Okay, this is what I'm trying to do. I want to see the reverse side of this thing. Oh, because there's a coupon. Oh, wait a minute, there's something inside this box. Oh, wait a minute. Is that what I think it is? Oh, it's Christmas. And more tape. Ah. Ooh, tape. Yeah, that's the wrong side. Look at that. Yeah, I know, it's no razor blade. But I don't know where my razor blade is. Oh, wow. It's rattling a little bit. Oh, what could be inside? Oh, wow, we're out of control, folks. Stuff's getting knocked down. And it's Christmas time and not even Christmas. Oh, wow, this is cool. All right. What? Oh, wow! The good beer! So, that's what... Oh! Oh, we have another one! Oh, is this a beer can collection? Oh, wow! We've got here Long Life beer. All right. All about some Long Life. Yeah. Okay. So let's see what. Wow. There's a whole collection of them in here, and they're all wrapped with this beautiful PEZ wrapping paper. That, if you notice, there was no tape used. Oh. Yeah. We'll just tape up the outside of the box. What's here? Oh, this is the Schmitz! I love the Schmitz. Oh, wait a minute, no, sorry. This is the Schmitz of Philadelphia, not of Baltimore. But I was talking about the ones from Baltimore. Excellent. Whoa, look at this one! Cincy beer! From Canada? Wait a minute. Cincy, like Cincinnati? But imported from Canada. Okay. So that one. Oh, wait a minute, that one rattles. Going jing-a-ling-a-ling. All right. Next one. Wow. They got a lot going on there. That's why it's premium. Got a lot going on. Okay. Their collection so far. Here's a Munich. A light lager beer. Oh, look at that one. It's just hanging in the air. Wait a minute. There's a note back here? Oh, wow. Cool. February 2020. Hi, Josh. You didn't ask for them. You probably don't want them, but you got them anyway. Here's some cool beer cans from the 70s. Display them. Give them away. They're yours. Hands on PEZ. Hands on rusty beer cans. Take care. See you soon. Your PEZ Pal Indurell. Wow, that is really cool. Good luck at your pig. I know you'll do a great job. I think we did. See you at the next fun gathering. Very cool. Very cool. Thank you very much, Andrew. That's amazing. That is absolutely amazing. Now, I'm going to save these for a little bit later. Yeah, that's cool. It's what I like about my PEZ collecting friends. My PEZ Pal. This little joke, this fun thing right here, awesome. Very cool. All right. Back to what we were originally talking about. All right. So this is the backside of the flyer talking to you about the Visitors Center. Over 4,000 square feet dedicated to all things PEZ. Oh, wow. Free parking. Now there is an admission, but you receive a $2 coupon towards product purchase with each admission. So go check them out. Oh, there's a $1 off coupon. That's nice of them. Bring them in. So, next time you're in Orange, Connecticut, make sure to stop down on Prindle Hill Road at the PEZ Visitors Center. And maybe you'll make a new PEZ Pal that'll send you a big old box of beer cans. So until next time...